Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on a Kia Soul. You're going to want to make sure that the vehicle is turned off. As you can see, this one, we have one working and one bulb failure. First, get some gloves. We're going to want to make sure the car is off. Your ignition switch is off. Pop open the hood. You're going to locate your safety lights right here underneath the Kia emblem. This guy. So this is our headlight housing. We're going to locate the cover in the back. It's a sealed unit. So you're going to untwist this. Go ahead and put this over here so you don't lose it. This headlight is really simple. In other vehicles, you got, you know, fuse boxes, you got battery trays, you got things that are back here. This one's going to be very simple. There's two ways to do this. First method is you can either twist this and pull the whole headlight bulb out with the switch, the harness, but we're going to unplug it. Go ahead and twist, pull the headlight bulb out. You can always go and check your filament. I don't know if you can see it in there at the moment. If it's broken, that's one way to tell your headlight's not working. We saw this one was not working. We got this at our local Napa Auto Parts store. You can order these things on Amazon.
In case you were wondering, the light bulb for the Kia Soul is a H13.
One thing about new headlight bulbs, when you pull it out of the box or whatever package it's in, you're gonna see that the glass comes very protected. You're not gonna want to, you're gonna want to make sure you don't bang the glass, touch the glass. That's why you got gloves on. We carry around oils, and those oils that we produce, if we touch the glass, it can prematurely cause bulb failure because it tends to heat up, and then the oils heat up and can cause the glass or the elements inside to crack. So best way to do this is stick the bulb inside the socket, and then you can connect everything that goes behind it. Another thing is, you're going to want to make sure when you replace your headlights, you probably want to replace both of them at the same time. Headlights usually have the same lifespan. So one, if you're going to replace one, go ahead and replace the other one. The other one's going to go out at around the same rate. You know, so I've seen cases where it goes out in a week or a month later. So if you're already in here, you got gloves on, you got bulbs, if you can buy them in pairs, you can usually save a couple dollars. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in. We got a new headlight. You're gonna have these notches here, and you're gonna want to line that up in the housing. There it is. Once you feel it sit in, twist, secure in place, plug in, and vamonos. You cover. This cover is meant to keep dust, oils, water outside of the headlight housing, because once that happens, all of that debris can go inside and cause problems in here, and you know, you can ruin the $300 unit. So that's it. Headlight bulb replaced for a Kia Soul.